This is the Speed Rivet battery tool, also known as the SB25PT. This is a solution that will place speed rivets. I've seen automotive production lines where seating trim are assembled into cars, and it's commonly seen that a user has to open the door, fit the car seat in, and then rivet the seat in place. A product like this is great because it allows that mobility, that movement, to be able to assemble on the production line in a timely manner. Applications which are suitable for speed riveting are things such as venting ducts, seating trims. Ejector seats is a great example which I've seen on a production line, where the integrity of the joint is important. However, factors such as corrosion resistance, vibration resistance are also important. This is something the speed rivet application can provide to our end users. Some of the features and benefits that we see on the Speed battery tool are backwards compatibility with the predecessor tool. This means that we are able to use the equipment from the hydropneumatic series of the tool with the same interface equipment. So i.e. the fasteners, mandrels, follower springs and nose jaws, which you can see on the outside here. These are all compatible with the predecessor. So that allows us to then move directly into the battery tool environment with no additional cost to the end user. Magazine fed fasteners provide that option to the end user to speed up the production line, the improved attack times on assembly cells. Benefit over using speed over a blind rivet is that we don't create any waste, and we can create a fast, repeatable joint accurately and quickly as well as efficiently. Some of the difficulties with a corded airline is the trip hazards that are involved. You often see tools on the production line where they have 15 metre, 20 metre air hoses and they're running along the floor. This poses a risk to the user, and health and safety is an important aspect on the production lines that we see nowadays. The great thing about STANLEY engineered fastening is that we can offer one complete solution to our end users. This is important to our end users because it means they have that one point of contact that they can come to discuss any application difficulties or challenges that need to be overcome. For more information, you can contact our experts on stanleyengineeredfastening.com.